I've been using the Mitsubishi Connect app to manage my vehicle remotely, but recently, it stopped working and wouldn't load anything. If you're experiencing the same thing, here are 2 smart ways to fix it quickly. Let's start by checking whether the problem is on your side or Mitsubishi's. Sometimes the app isn't broken. It's the servers that are temporarily down. To verify that, head over to downdetector.com and type in Mitsubishi Connect. If you see a spike in reports or complaints from other users, it's likely a system-wide issue. In that case, no need to panic or reset your phone. The best move is to wait it out while their technical team works on it. You can also check Mitsubishi's official channels for service updates. But if the server seems fine and the app still doesn't work, your best option is to reach out to Mitsubishi support directly. Go to mitsubishicars.com/contact-us or use the help section inside the app if it's accessible. They offer support by phone, email, and even chat depending on your region. Let them know exactly what's happening, whether it's login issues, frozen screens, or feature errors. Their tech support can check for known issues or walk you through a fix based on your specific model and mobile device. And that's how you handle the most common problems with the Mitsubishi Connect app. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and check the description for helpful links. Thanks for watching.